Guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. The future is not set in stone yet. You have got the power to change it by tapping into your mystic power. Um, the only way for us to build a legacy is to not only plant those seeds, but watering them every single day until they harvest. Understand that there's abundance all around you. The universe can actually give you exactly what you need. But it's important to surrender, to trust, to let go of any trust issues. This is the only way that the universe can actually show you what it's capable of doing in your life. Thank you.